So welcome back, children. So I was telling about the covalent bond, how the covalent bond actually happens. So this is how. So hydrogen shares one electron with other hydrogen to become hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule. See, molecule. Hydrogen molecule is formed, and that's why it is called as molecular bond. Why it is called as molecular? Because due to sharing up of electron, a molecule is formed. Which molecule? Here H2 molecule is formed. H2 molecule will be formed. Here H2 molecule will be formed. One molecule of hydrogen is formed by covalent bond, by sharing up of electron. See, if one electron is shared, here if you take with one electron is shared, one pair of electron, one pair of electron is shared between hydrogen. If one electron is shared, one pair of electron is shared, then it's called a single covalent bond. We call it a single covalent bond. Here, one pair of electron is shared between this one. So here, if you take so two electron, one pair of electron. So one pair of electron is shared between this here. So one pair hydrogen, one more hydrogen. So one pair of electron is shared between this hydrogen atom. That's why it is single covalent bond. So this is how the covalent bond is formed between two elements. So if you take double covalent bond. The bond formed between two elements by sharing two pairs of electron. Jai Mataji.
Sir.
Good morning, Mataji.
You are right. But what about?
I am not able to hear you properly, Mataji.
Now also can't you hear me properly?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Sir. So if such network I have.
But there is a lot of disturbance, Mataji.
Then you send anybody, sir. I'll join. Nanalle ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, Mataji.
Continue.
Okay,
Continue, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So double covalent bond. Here, two pairs of electron is shared between two elements. If you take, so we'll give the example of oxygen. So oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So one more oxygen if you take 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here see. So here it needs two electrons here. So it needs two electron here. So to become octet, it needs two electron. That's why we write the oxygen has -2. So oxygen is an ion. We write -2 because it needs two electron to become octet. Similarly, when it reacts with another oxygen atom to become O2, oxygen molecule, here two pairs of electron is shared here. Two pairs of electron is shared here. How? We'll see here. See oxygen. So this is oxygen. What happened here is so two pairs of electron. Here it is having two electron. This is having two electron. Means so if you take in the outermost shell, how many electrons are there? In the outermost, totally 6 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So in between, I hope you are getting my point. Here to see here one atom, one oxygen atom will have totally six electrons. To become octet, it needs to one more oxygen atom. It also need two electrons to become octet. Total six electrons. Total six electrons are there in the outermost shell. In the outermost shell, there are six electrons. 4, 5, 6. So I am representing those six electrons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here what happens? Here sharing will happen in these two electrons. So these two electrons from this element and two electrons from this atom will be shared. Here. See here. So two pair of electron, two pairs here. Here two pair of electron is shared. If two pairs of electron is shared between the atom, then it is called as double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Here two pairs of electron is shared between the carbon atom. Oxygen atom. That's why it becomes double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. I hope it's clear now. So oxygen reacts with one more oxygen to form O2. How it is formed? Here two oxygen are there. Two oxygen atom shares two pair of electron. One pair here, one pair here. Two pairs of electron is shared between this oxygen atom to become stable. So that becomes oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. Like that. So they become octet. They get their octet configuration. I hope it is clear now. If you have any doubt regarding the covalent bond, you can put a message in the WhatsApp group or you can call me directly to my number. So I'll rub this. I hope you have copied it. Those who are not copied, copy it first. Okay, I'll rub this. I hope you got the total 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So plus here oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, two pairs of electron is shared. So this is oxygen atom. This is oxygen atom. Oxygen atom, and this is oxygen atom. Here. So here, two pairs of electron is shared between. Two pair. So one pair and second pair. Two pairs of electron is shared between the oxygen atom. So to become O2. This is called as molecular bond or double covalent bond. Then triple covalent bond. So here three pairs of electron is shared. So it's a type of covalent bond in which three pairs of electron is shared. Three pairs of electron is shared between atoms. So we'll see the example of nitrogen molecule. So N2 molecule, nitrogen molecule. So So atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So it becomes 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2p3. So one more. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here. So here how many electrons are there? The outermost. See, in the outermost shell 5 electrons are there here. So 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more. That is one more is that nitrogen. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See 5 electrons. In the outermost shell it is having 5 electrons. To become octet. To become octet. To become an octet, it needs 3 electrons. See here. It needs 3 electrons. This also 3 electrons. Here, 3 pairs of electron is shared here. So this is a nitrogen atom. This is one nitrogen atom. So 1, 2, 3 electron of this. So this 5 and this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the atom. So electron of this. So nitrogen atom. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 pair of electron is shared. 3 pair of electrons here. 1 pair, second pair, and the third pair. See, 3 pair of electron is shared between the nitrogen atom. 3 pair of electron is shared between the nitrogen atom. This is how the triple covalent bond is formed between two elements. Triple covalent bond is formed between 3 elements. I hope the concept is clear now. If you have any doubt regarding covalent bond, so you can just ask. So anybody having doubt, please raise your hands. Ashwit.
Yes, sir.
So what is covalent bond?
Hello, sir. The
What is
bond
covalent
formed
bond?
between the two atoms by sharing
I'm not
of their
able to hear
electrons.
you properly here.
The bond formed between the two atoms by sharing their electrons.
Yeah, thank you. Anvit.
Hello, sir.
Anvit, which Anvit it is?
Anvit, which Anvit it is?
Sir.
Anvit, which Anvit it is?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anvit.
Anvit. Hello, sir.
Pawan Kumar. Pawan Kumar. Pawan Kumar.
Yes, sir.
What is double covalent bond? What is double covalent bond? Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
What is covalent bond?
Bond formed between two elements by sharing of electrons.
Okay, thank you. What is double covalent bond?
Two pair of electrons is shared between oxygen.
Okay, thank you. Sai Priya. Sai Priya,
Yes, sir.
loudly, speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly. I am not able to hear you properly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What is catenation?
Sir,
What is catenation?
bonding of atoms of the same element into a series.
Okay. Thank you. Shantika,
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to hear you.
Sir,
I'm not able to hear you. Shantika, I'm not able to hear you.
yes, sir.
Okay. So what is allotropy? What do you mean by allotropy? Allotropy.
Property of element having same chemical property but different physical property.
Give me an example. Give me an example.
Sir, graphite and diamond, allotropy
Yeah.
of carbon.
Thank you. Shanvi,
Yes, sir.
so what is catenation?
The unique capacity of carbon with the carbon atom or other element to form long chain of huge molecule.
Yeah, thank you. Tejas Bhatt,
Yes, sir.
what is covalent bond?
Covalent bond is the bond between two elements by sharing electrons.
What do you mean by tetravalency? Tejasvi, Tejasvi,
Yes, sir.
what is tetravalency?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. They didn't understood what I thought. Tejasvi,
Yes, sir.
what is sir? I didn't understood what I thought.
Understood, sir.
Then tell me what is tetravalence here. Say carbon has 4 valence electron in its outermost shell. Valence electron in its outermost shell. These 4 electron are unpaired. So this will bond with other element by sharing up of electron. That property is called as tetravalency. Tetravalency. Tejasvi,
Yes, sir.
why you are offing your microphone here? I am unmuting you. You are again muting it. Now tell me what is tetravalency?
Carbon atom bonding with hydrogen atom to become
Only
stable
hydrogen atom. Only hydrogen atom. It will not bond with other
with
elements.
other elements.
Don't like that. So carbon is having 4 valence electron in its outermost shell, and it will share those electron with other element to form a molecule. That should be your answer. So 4 valence, tetravalency, 4 valence electron in its outermost shell, and those electron will participate in during chemical bonding or during the reaction if you take. So I hope you understood the concept. So if you have any doubt regarding this covalent bond, you can call me or message me. So thank you very much for attending the class. So next concept will be taught on Monday. So next class will be Kannada class. So take a 10 minutes break and come back. 12 o'clock you come back. So one more link will be sent for Kannada class. Join the Kannada class. Thank you very much.